Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're reviewing something truly unique, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. It's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling 5-star suite, and possibly the most luxurious way to travel the open road. From the outside, it's everything you'd expect from Rolls-Royce. Elegant, commanding, and unmistakably premium. The massive signature grille, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, and the two-tone paint finish set the tone. But make no mistake, this isn't just a pretty face. Underneath is a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, offering 563 horsepower and an incredibly smooth, silent ride. Combine that with adaptive air suspension, and it feels like you're floating, even on rougher terrain. Step inside, and you're instantly immersed in craftsmanship and detail. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, open-pore wood veneers, and even features a starlight ceiling above the lounge area. The motorhome offers a fully functional kitchen with marble countertops, a temperature-controlled wine cabinet, and appliances that blend seamlessly into the design. Even the drawers glide shut with a soft whisper. Pure Rolls-Royce. The living area is customizable, with options for a cinema setup, executive workspace, or a full dining lounge. At the rear, the bedroom features a king-size memory foam bed, blackout shades, ambient lighting, and a 4K OLED panel that tucks away when not in use. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated floors, and fittings plated in 24-karat gold. On the tech side, Rolls-Royce introduces its Horizon AI system, managing everything from climate to entertainment through voice command or gesture controls. The roof is covered with solar panels that help power onboard systems and assist the hybrid backup drivetrain, giving it both range and eco-credibility. It's big, bold, and unapologetically luxurious. Starting around $2.5 million, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't for the average buyer. But for the few who demand both mobility and magnificence, this is the ultimate expression of travel. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more unique machines, right here on Engine Explorer.